Doug and I have been married for just about 30 years. We're addicted to travel, and we're raising the next generation that's addicted to travel. We're a little eccentric. Add into that we're trying to restore a 60-foot sailboat, my husband's dream, and sometimes things get a little crazy.
You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets.
Okay, vlog. We are back. I'm actually dressed. Here's the fit. And we're heading to our walking tour destination. We're like, this was one square, and then we're supposed to meet at the next square, so. And luckily for us right now, it's not raining, and it's honestly not too hot. It's kind of humid, but somebody lost their hair. Hopefully you saw that, because that's funny. If that was you who lost your hair, I'm sorry for you. But okay, we are on our way there, and we'll catch up to you later when we get there.
First morning in Savannah, and we started it by an early morning free walking tour by foot. Our guide was a little eccentric, but he kind of added to the whole experience of eccentric Savannah. It is free. There's a small reservation fee, like a $2.85 reservation fee or something like that, and then you tip the guide according to your own generosity and how well he did. He was a good tour guide. Our tour wasn't that long, but we got a real feel for the downtown area of Savannah through a number of the lovely squares and gardens.
We were so happy to have General Pulaski for this lake for the American Revolution. We named a whole bunch of stuff after him. We got this monument here, over General West is black.
Okay, vlog update. We just finished our tour. We ended up walking like a mile, almost a mile and a quarter, but now we're on our way back to the hotel room.
Another mile and a quarter.
Yeah, basically. And what was I gonna say? Oh, we're gonna get sandwiches in the hotel room and then figure out what we're doing next. We're supposed to go to Tybee Island, but it's not raining yet, but it's supposed to rain today, so we don't know if we want to go to the beach or not. But like, my thinking is, okay, if it's just like, if it's just like raining little, then like you're already gonna be wet in the water anyway. But if it's like downpour or like thundering and lightning, then obviously you can't do that. But we'll keep you updated. And then we're supposed to go on a dolphin tour still today.
Out to dinner tonight.
Yeah. Okay, vlog, we are waiting for the elevator, and we're gonna go down, walk across the parking garage, and get in the car. I took my makeup off, except my eye makeup, because my mascara is waterproof. It's the Sky High by Maybelline. Don't know if you've heard of it, but really good if you wanted to try it. Oh, there is a laundry button.
Yeah, I'm sure that's for the laundry.
Okay, anyway, so my mascara should be good. And I don't plan on getting my face soaked, so.
We finally made it to the beach after a year of quarantine, missing graduation trips. Tybee Island, Georgia. Lovely little beach. Water was warm. Luckily no rain. We lucked out.
Okay, vlog, quick update. We are at the dolphin place. We stopped at the porta potties. And look, this is so cool. There's like a little hand wash station, so they have soap, and then you use like this little water jug thing that you usually get like water from to drink. You push on it, and then it gives you water to wash your hands. And also, the porta potty mom was in, it flushes.
Yeah.
You can flush it, which is kind of weird. But yep, we're gonna head on up.
After a couple of hours on the beach, we headed back towards Savannah. Right before you cross the bridge from Tybee Island over to Savannah area, there's a couple choices to take dolphin watching tours, and we chose to go out with Captain Derek. The tour was about an hour and a half. We saw a number of dolphins. It was a nice time. Everybody had a good time, and it is $25 per adult or $15 for children 2 to 12.
Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Okay, so the dress actually from Walmart, pretty sick. And then I just have these shoes on, and they're from Ross. And then my earrings are from Claire's, or no, Icing by Claire. So
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
okay, vlog, we're at the restaurant, and I'm gonna show you. Our first thing we got is, let me get it on the menu. We got the fried green tomatoes, and that's what they look like. We'll give you an update when we try them.
I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now. Will you call me back?
Okay, vlog. Here's my food. It's a pork chop with sweet potato mash. That is a cheeseburger with french fries. And Dad got stuffed shrimp and angel hair pasta.
That you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Okay, let's go on my story. Okay, vlog, we finished dinner. We went to the candy store. We'll show you what we got when we're back in the room. But right now, we are at the pool, and it's raining. But the pool is a rooftop pool. So I'm going to show you the view just like this, because I do not want to lose you. But here's the water. I'm going to feel it.
Okay.
Ready? I'm going to feel the water. I'll tell you what it feels like. Oh, I mean, if it was warm outside, it would be perfect. But I would love it up here if the sun was out and it was nice. You could come sit in these little reclining chairs out in the sun. But here's the pool. So we're going to come over to this other side. Look at the view. And here's the view again. Ow. And you can see the hotel across from us.
That's the church right there. They said they,
Okay, well, we'll catch up with you in the room and we'll show you what we got, the goodies. Okay, vlog, so first let me do a little haul of what we got. So we got this toxic waste sour candy because my doctor said I needed to eat sour candy to see if it helps with like my throat problem or whatever. And when I looked up like the sourest candy on Amazon, this was the first one that popped up, toxic waste, and at the candy store they had it, so we got that. Then I got a caramel apple. Look how good that looks. And then Mom got, what did you get in?
praline and a turtle.
A praline and a turtle thing. So now I'm gonna try the hazardous candy. I think I'm gonna go for the green. This is apple. Okay, so there's apple, lemon, watermelon, and blue raspberry. I don't really like blue raspberry candy, so I think I'm gonna go with the apple. I'm scared. You think it's super sour?
As the basis for them selling it to you, I would think it would need to be.
Oh,
That good, huh?
it's so sour.
I gotta try it.
Holy crap. It's not even like good.
I gotta try this.
What flavor? Blue raspberry?
Don't care. Which one did you try?
Green apple.
Pick one. I don't care.
It's making my eyes water.
Can I have one?
Okay, now that the initial sourness is gone, it's not bad. Like, you have. Okay, vlog. So we are in bed. We're about to go to bed. My face looks so oily, but it's just my makeup wipe. Today, I would rate today a 10 out of 10. We got to go to the beach, which was good. We went to dinner. We didn't really get rained on today. I mean, it rained, but like we were timed perfectly where like we weren't out in the rain. The only time like we really got rained on was when we were walking back from the beach to the car. So, yep, tomorrow we have some like tour through a cemetery or something, and then to something else, and then we're going to Florida. Just like the very tip of Florida. So, we'll talk to you tomorrow.